all the way to hell.
Good stuff, huh?
I cannot believe that.
I have never seen
Me either.
This is the first dog I know that
Chews bubble gum.
that chews gum, period.
Now all you gotta do is teach you how to blow bubbles. Then we'll put that on them talented animal contests they have on TV.
Yeah.
Right?
You won $1,000.
Yeah. Hey, some of them go up to 10,000.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, their shows up to 10,000 if you make the big finals and semifinals. And
That is amazing. Really, she is the first dog I've ever seen do that.
Are you like Cameron in it?
Yeah.
Give me a high five with a paw. No? Amazing.
Oh, ouch.
that was
Eat your gum, baby.
Ooh, Kenny.
Yeah, I know.
Did you cut one?
Sorry.
You gotta stop eating that plastic.
Yeah, really.
She's still chewing on it. A little high, actually.
Is it?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Athena, and she is chewing a piece of bubble gum, not eating it.
No, I'm waiting for it right now.